What's up, man? Oh, I know how you feel, man. Hold my hand, man. Oh, I know how you feel. Hold my hand. Don't eat it! He said hold my hand. God. Hold my hand! Why don't you hold my hand, man? Trying to eat my sister up? Well, I think that's wrong. Okay, time to see with the other dog. What are you fussing about, huh? Huh, doggy? Huh, doggy? Hey, come here, man. Come here, man. You know, man. Oh, you're drinking some water because you don't, like, you've been barking so much, so you like drinking water or something? That's great. Hey! I'm making this voice, I don't know why. Hey! 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 Alright. Hey! Look at me! Look at me! Oh my god, you're so destined to go outside! What are you trying to do, huh, man? I know how you feel, man. Oh yeah, I know. That's what life is about. Oh yeah. Totally. Totally about that. Oh my god, man. Stop. Feels so awkward right now. And I have taken Dark Venom's account. Oh no! Oh no! How did that happen? Oh, that's... Oh, you're so scared about that. Okay. See you later, man. What there's so many Ziggy's Boobo Barbos? And then, oh, you're getting too close to me. I need my personal space. I think you're gonna eat me or something. Because I think you're too close or something. Okay, guys. Peace out before the star like eats me. So, peace out, guys. I guess.